Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the J token. Now J is the ticker symbol, the name of the token is Jambo. Jambo is building the world's largest on-chain mobile network powered by the Jambo phone. And this token just went live for pre-market trading. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Jambo just announced a bunch of central exchange listings starting January 22nd, which is about 9 days away. So it's going to be listed on a bunch of different central exchanges. Ticker symbol is J. Now, it was just announced that you can get this token for pre-market trading. As of just a couple days ago, I believe the 10th, it started pre-market trading on Mexc Global. So pre-market trading is an over-the-counter service offered by Mexc that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they're officially listed on the exchange. This service lets traders set preferred prices and find matching trades, providing an opportunity to trade at favorable prices before the public launch. By participating in pre-market trading, Mexc users gain a competitive edge before the tokens are officially issued. And you can find more about this at Mexc Global's webpage, mexc.com, if you want to learn about pre-market trading and the trading rules. But basically, they're referred to as pre-tokens or points, lots of different names for them, but they're actually not the official token. So the official token, like I said, comes out on the 22nd. So until then, though, you'll be able to do pre-market trading. So if you're looking to do the pre-market trading and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, and then you'd fund your account with USDT, and then you'd go into the pre-market trading section and search J, the ticker symbol, or you could search Jambo, I'm sure, and it'd pop up as well. You could do that or get the token on the 22nd on Mexc Global. I'm not sure what exact time yet. That will be announced soon on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official or Jambo's Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here at Jambo Technology on Twitter. And then you'll be able to get the full token on January 22nd. Following the same steps, like I said, if you don't have an account, you could use the link below and open an account, and then you just go into the normal trade section on the 22nd and search J or Jambo. It'll pop up, and then you simply buy the token. So they have 3,658 tweets so far, gold verified checkmark. It says backed by Paradigm. They have a link to their webpage right there on the Twitter, jambo.technology. 350,400 Twitter followers. So they have a prize pool. It says they're doing a giveaway here or an event, whatever you want to call it. They have that in their pinned tweets. You could check that out as well. Looks like pre-market trading opened on Kucoin as well, so you can get it off there. I'm sure it's going to be listed all over the place because of how big this project is. And there's somebody wearing a it says J is coming to Bybit, so they're going to be listed on Bybit as well. Basically, I assume all the big central exchanges and then most likely a bunch of like tier 2, tier 3 central exchanges as well. And they do a bunch of giveaways on here. I was just scrolling through their tweets. They have all sorts of giveaways that you can get involved with. You can win the Jambo phone 2, it says. They had a Jambo phone 1. I have not checked out the actual phone yet. But they have a Telegram. You can also follow Jambo Technology on Telegram that has 17,464 Telegram members. 788 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members about this project, ask questions, that type of thing. And then the rest of the info is going to be on their webpage. So Jambo, the world's largest on-chain mobile network. It says 128 countries, 712,629 phone orders, 5,838,022 wallets so far. So it says participate in the 100 million J token airdrop prize pool, and they have a join now button for that on their webpage. They have a buy Jambo phone button on their webpage if you want to actually buy the phone. So just go over to jambo.technology for all that. They have tons of partners here. Pantera, Paradigm, Coinbase, OKX, Delphi Ventures, you name it, all on here. And it says world's most powerful $99 smartphone. $99, wow. What's the catch? The delivery's like $9,000. No, I don't know. But, I mean, again, I'd have to watch a video on this phone before I make any actual decisions on how good this phone is. But, you know, maybe it's, you know, specifically super cool for crypto, like the Solana phone. You know, that one's obviously has a lot to do with crypto and Solana. And so maybe this one has a lot to do with Jambo and crypto and has other cool features as well, like the Solana phone. So it says KCEX announces upcoming J listing, and then you can read more about that on the webpage. It says Jambo expands to Solana to accelerate financial inclusion in emerging markets. The integration of Solana's SPL USDT stablecoin is a significant aspect of this expansion, serving as the primary reward mechanism for Jambo's user engagement incentives. You could read more about that. They have all sorts of cool articles on here. One about the mobile tools in millions of emerging markets. They have one with Galaxy partners. You can learn about that. Basically having to do with Aptos and Decrypt. So tons of different articles about, you know, tons of different partnerships. The Forbes article there. They have an article about their partnership with Coinbase, Solana and Tether, OKX, Over Protocols, another one, Aptos, Injective, Sleepagotchis, Matrix, UGG or YGG. They have all their backers, and they have a Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, and a TikTok at the bottom of their webpage, jambo.technology. So go check this token out for pre-market trading on Mexc Global. Check out the referral codes down there. Then the listing will be around the 22nd. Just follow the socials here to learn more about that. And let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the J token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.